And welcome back. It is 7:11. An EF-1 tornado touched down in Northumberland County on Wednesday, causing miles of damage just on the ground for about 6 minutes.
Yeah, would you look at this drone video? It shows what it looked like moments after the tornado touched down in Callio in Northumberland County. You can see the trees just snapped and the homes just left in shambles, Mike. And as we were talking to witnesses, they said it all happened within a matter of seconds.
Yeah, that storm, depending exactly where we're talking about, east of I-95, moved anywhere from about 45 to almost 60 miles an hour. And we actually tracked some of that rotation even before it became a tornado on the ground. But I want to show you the exact path. It started off in Richmond County at 4:04 p.m. and then it traveled into Northumberland County to just north of Lottsburg. As we mentioned, EF-1 tornado winds were 95 to 100 miles an hour, and it was on the ground for just a little over 5 miles, and it was 100 yards wide. And again, that was Wednesday afternoon.